Assalamualaikum. I am Junaid. This is Ridwan.
I am Madison.
I am Idris.
I am Nuna.
This is Fatima.
We are in grade 6 of Charvation English Nursery School.
We have learned tenses from the last couple of the classes. It's a practice session, so you have to translate into English what I say in Bangla. So Fatima, which tense would you prefer to give answer?
I prefer present perfect continuous tense.
Okay, so are you ready to give answer?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
আমার বাবা 5 বছর যাবত বিদেশে অবস্থান করছে।
My father has been staying abroad for 5 years.
ওকে, সে 5 বছর যাবত বাংলাদেশে অবস্থান করছে না।
He has not been staying Bangladesh for 5 years.
ওকে, দেন সে কি 5 বছর যাবত বাংলাদেশে অবস্থান করছে?
Has he been staying Bangladesh for 5 years?
ওকে, and last one is সে কি 5 বছর যাবত বাংলাদেশে অবস্থান করছে না?
Hasn't he been staying Bangladesh for 5 years?
ওকে ফাতিমা, থ্যাংক ইউ।